Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The health of the US consumer and the retail sector will be in focus in the coming week, as Black Friday kicked off a holiday shopping season that could shed light on how buyers are grappling with higher prices. The benchmark S&P 500 rose 1.7% in the past week and approached all-time highs. Gold prices breached the $2,700 threshold for the first time in over 2 weeks to end last week, on track for their biggest weekly gain in nearly 2 years, as safe haven demand outweighed dollar strength and lower expectations of a US rate cut next month. Oil prices climbed about 1% on Friday, settling at a 2-week high, as the intensifying war in Ukraine this week boosted the market's geopolitical risk premium. Both crude benchmarks were up about 6% for the week, their highest settlement since November the 7th. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. After a 2% dip during the last session, the Bitcoin dollar pair closed with a 1.1% drop. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. Attention turns to the economic calendar as the upcoming days feature a series of high, medium and low impact data releases. Each event carries the potential to influence market sentiment, guiding traders and investors' decision-making. With these events on the horizon, market participants should stay updated and flexible in their approach. The outcomes may shape trading conditions for days to come.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.